Okay, please look up here. Josie, your job is to read about oligarchy in Spartan, and your job is to fill in the Spartan chart just like we did with Athens. You're going to do this on your own. The first part we could just easily do together. The Spartans had an oligarchy, so that's easily added.
What are you looking at, Emily?
Now your job is to find out if they had an assembly, if they had a jury, what their education looked like. You're filling in the same information,
What?
except right here for Spartans. And you're reading the section. When you're done, you can go ahead and take out something silently to read until everyone's done, but you're working silently by yourself.